In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a quiz on Mailerlite in 2025, step by step. To get started, log into your Mailerlite account and head to the main dashboard. Once you're in, go to the Sites section, then choose Landing Pages. From there, click Create Landing Page. You can either pick a template that fits your goal or start completely from scratch, depending on how much control you want over the design. After your landing page opens in the editor, the next step is to add the quiz itself. On the left-hand sidebar, click Sections, then look for the interactive category. Inside that section, you'll find the quiz block. Simply drag and drop it onto your landing page where you want it to appear. Now you can customize the quiz introduction, click directly into the intro text area, and replace it with your own quiz title and description. You can also change the button text so it matches the tone of your page. If you don't want an introduction at all, Mailerlite gives you the option to remove that section. Next, open the quiz settings by clicking the settings icon on the quiz block. Click Add a Question, then choose the type of question you want to use, either multiple choice or multiple image choice. Enter your question, add the answer options, and select the correct answer. Continue by clicking Add a Question again and repeat this process until all of your questions are included. Mailerlite supports multiple questions, so you can build out a full quiz experience. Once your questions are in place, take some time to adjust the design. You can customize the fonts, colors, buttons, spacing, and overall layout so the quiz matches your brand or landing page style. You can also turn on a progress indicator, which is especially helpful if your quiz has several questions and you want participants to know how far along they are. If you want to create a more dynamic experience, open the Rules tab and click Add Rule. Choose the question and answer that should trigger the rule, then assign an action such as Skip to Item. This is useful for branching quizzes, where different answers lead users to different paths. After that, open the quiz results section and edit the message people will see when they finish the quiz. You can also add a call to action here if you want users to take another step afterward. If you'd like to collect leads, you can include a sign-up form as one of the quiz steps so participants can enter their email and become subscribers. Before publishing, preview the landing page and test every question, answer, and rule carefully to make sure everything works as expected. When you're happy with it, click Done Editing, review the page, and then click Publish. You can publish using a Mailerlite domain or a connected custom domain. Finally, to review performance, open the landing page overview and go to the Survey Report tab. There, you can check quiz responses, review the data, export results, and see which subscribers submitted their information.